Hey Jake, I thought I'd just shoot you off this quick little video podcast. Hey, I'm on your website here, and obviously I noticed that you have a variety of different destinations here: Vancouver, Seattle, San Francisco, and we've got content on all that. And what I mean by that is that, for instance, San Francisco, you're talking. We have Muir Woods and all that good stuff that you're basically selling, I'm sure. Um, and so the point is that you have a play video button right next door to each one of these different products. And I don't have to convince you, I'm sure, on the effectiveness of streaming video. This is a summary of all the reports we pulled from Google and TripAdvisor and YouTube. The one I like the most is Online Publishing Association because obviously they're not slanted. YouTube is slanted, because they own YouTube and they're going to promote video as much as they can. But they did a survey here, and 80% of the people who are cross-seeing a video on a website 30 days afterwards, and 46% took some sort of action. And so, really, it's like the Swiss Army knife of marketing video because it's used on your website. You add links into to your signature, you add it to your Facebook page, you basically distribute it to your resellers. I'm sure you're working with a few of them, Viator and so forth. That's part of what we do. But what I want to draw your attention to is on your website, when you come to it, you click the YouTube button, and I know you probably have a reason for doing this, but it flips this. It obviously is not YouTube, but I'm not even spotting your tours on this, right? So that's a bit of a disconnect. These are great. I think this is the top 50 tours of all times, but I can't read that. And when you click on that, that should go off to whatever that web page is that talks about that and stuff like that. And what we're proposing is doing is putting a play video button, say right here, and it pops up and it says, hey, we're, Evergreen Escapes, and we go to Vancouver and Seattle and Vancouver. Which destination would you like to go to? And there's a menu, and the guy clicks on Seattle. And then from there, it does an overview of the Seattle tours, okay, exactly what you got here. And then what you have individual video clips for each one of those Seattle tours. So each one of these, what do you got a video up here, right? But I'm talking about an individual video because that's how you sell the tours, is base individual. And what we've developed is a unique video player that we put a play video button on your website, and what it does is it detects if it's on a desktop or a mobile. And because they buy and connect in totally different ways. So if they're on a desktop, a player pops open, and what happens is this player pops open, and well, you want to see Vancouver or something like that. So and it lists all your tours right here: price, description, length, and a guy can just sit here and bop between. Oh, I want to see the hop on, hop off. So really, if you're into video, the consumers, which they are, because there's 4 billion video views, a day on Facebook, that the consumer can just sit here and have a totally video experience. And so that's basically what the video player does on the desktop. Now, of course, mobile is different. What happens there is when they watch the tour videos, they basically, it says, hey, well, it says this on the desktop too. Hey, this is popular in TripAdvisor. You got to book this in advance. So click the call button to be instantly connected. And the idea is that 70% of people who do a search on a mobile phone end up making a phone call. And understanding that, we just make it simple for them. So this is the part of we have two distinct programs we're doing. I'm making the overview video, but our company, ITS Video's primary thing is this video marketing program, and it consists of helping you get together high quality videos, which are coming in with the Droid and to shoot, and that totally elevates the quality or the image of your tours because when you have aerial shots that are motion picture quality, not TV quality, that makes your tour look more high end. And that's exactly what the helicopter is all about. So it's basically the other thing is the distribution of the video. So the when video plays back, we call it intelligent video playback, but for the distribution, we create a tour listing, and then we distribute the video and the tour listing to a whole vast number of sites. Some of them take the video, some take the tour listing. And what I mean by a tour listing is basically this here, and we create this on part of the program of this video marketing program, and it has your name and everything, and of course the video down below there. And this gets pushed out to a whole variety of sites, basically these sites all here. These are obviously resellers here, but we supply the videos to the resellers. But the tour listing and our video gets pushed out. In fact, we do a bit of link building too, and we create about 50 listings on different partner sites, and there's all the linked different sites that we create the different links to increase obviously the SEO and the traffic. But just mainly just want to get back to your website here. So if we were to move forward on something, I would be incorporating these logos and whatever your claim. If you're, it looks like you're one of the top 50 tours in lifetime that you should do on, that should definitely be played up. And I of course we always have the TripAdvisor award in there as well, but the idea is you'd have a teaser 45-second video on here, build trust, and also it'd segue into, at the end of it, it would have a menu very similar to what you have right here. So if you got some time, basically I've got a camera guy up in Vancouver, Canada, shooting Vancouver, and we're going to be sending them down to Seattle. I'm looking to partner with one tour company, and you're going to say how much. It all depends on how many videos we end up setting up with and so forth like that. So probably best do a call if you can. You got my number there, and look forward to talking to you, Jake. Thanks.